Nervos Network is a next-generation blockchain ecosystem that seeks to become the foundation of the decentralized economy of the future. It uses a novel, multi-layer approach to the three challenges of the blockchain trilemma: security, scalability, and decentralization. At the foundation of this ecosystem is the Layer 1 Nervos blockchain. This is called the Common Knowledge Base. The reason for this name is because the base layer is designed to store data that all participants will be witness to, making it common knowledge. In order to store data on the Common Knowledge Base, you must hold Common Knowledge Bytes, also known as CK byte or CKB. Owning one CK byte allows you to store 1 byte of any type of data. Smart contracts, tokens, and NFTs are all forms of data, which means they also require CK bytes in order to be represented on-chain. More data being stored on Nervos' Layer 1 increases the price of CK bytes. This also scales up the security on Layer 1, which makes it a more attractive place to store even more important data, continuing the cycle. We dive into this further in our tokenomics video. These factors combined make Layer 1 a true multi-asset store of value, and Layer 1 becomes increasingly more valuable over time as the ecosystem grows and the value of the information within it grows. At its core, Nervos prioritizes extremely high security, decentralization, and flexibility, and is composed of various essential components that help to achieve this. NC Max. Layer 1 uses the NC Max proof-of-work algorithm to provide consensus. Miners support the network using ASIC mining rigs, specialized machines that are optimized for the sole purpose of solving complex mathematical equations to provide security. Proof of work was chosen by Nervos for Layer 1 because it is the most secure, decentralized, and battle-tested consensus model in existence. NC Max is based on Bitcoin's Nakamoto Consensus Protocol and has many similarities, but this new protocol reduces bottlenecks and increases reliability using dynamic block time rather than static block time. This enables higher throughput and efficiency and the elimination of certain selfish mining attacks that exist on other protocols. NC Max ensures that Layer 1 is constantly optimizing to current conditions and always provides the best possible environment for fast and secure settlement, which is necessary for Layer 2 to operate efficiently. The cell model. At the heart of Nervos' smart contract platform is a unique programming model known as the cell model. Inspired by Bitcoin's UTXO model, platforms that fall in this design paradigm are inherently immune to re-entrancy attacks, a type of vulnerability that has plagued the Ethereum ecosystem and cost investors billions of dollars. On Nervos' Layer 1, CK bytes coalesce to form a cell, essentially a container in which data can be stored. One of the unique characteristics of the cell model is known as first-class assets. This means that the authority of the user always has precedence over everything else. The result being that even if there was a bug exploited in the smart contract, the attacker is still locked out of the asset because it is under the owner's control. This completely negates many types of attacks and demonstrates exceptional security at the smart contract level. The cell model is also highly scalable. Every cell is an individual state unit that can execute smart contract transactions in parallel rather than one at a time, giving a significant performance advantage on modern multi-core computer processors. Furthermore, thanks to the flexibility of the cell model, consensus rules are enforced abstractly, which enables many exciting new innovations, such as transaction fees that can be paid by anyone, the sender, recipient, or a third party. CKBVM. CKBVM is the virtual machine that executes smart contracts on Nervos. Because it operates on the RISC-V instruction set, it is essentially a full computer being emulated through software. This provides developers with the maximum amount of power and flexibility whilst maintaining a secure, high-performance environment. This high level of flexibility perfectly positions Nervos to adapt quickly to the latest breakthroughs in the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency industry. When unforeseen innovations are on the horizon, Nervos will have fewer hurdles to overcome, allowing it to adapt substantially quicker to industry trends while providing a superior experience for the user. Instead of the slow process of a hard fork, a developer can add new cryptographic primitives simply by installing the necessary libraries. And when it comes to interoperability, Nervos' inherent flexibility allows address schemes from other blockchains to be used on Nervos. This means that the wallets and toolings from other blockchains can be adapted to work on Nervos, bridging the user interface gap and extending the reach of dApp developers to every blockchain ecosystem that is connected to Nervos. This is something that many other platforms simply cannot do. A strong ecosystem can only be built on a solid foundation that can meet the requirements of today and survive the challenges of tomorrow. Nervos' Layer 1, the common knowledge base, is unparalleled in this regard. Not only is Nervos a contender with the biggest industry players today, but its flexibility makes it unmatched in its ability to seize the opportunities of the future. With Nervos, everybody wins.